Good morning, and welcome back to History 122. This is Professor Heimlich. This week we are going to be going over chapters 17 and 18, covering the westward expansion with cowboys and Indians, and genocide, and gold rushes, and wonderful bouts of dysentery and the like. If you enjoy some somewhat, shall we say, dry British humor, there's a wonderful little extra video at the bottom that I'm sure you will enjoy, entitled How Wild Was the Wild West Exactly? And then in chapter 18, there's a little bit more going. And that is going over two main topics: how life progressed following the Civil War and the rise of capitalism, which we covered in 16. Oh, and Reconstruction, of course, which was back in 15 last year. And the rise of capital and what that exactly meant for people in two main brackets: either people living in northern and western cities with lots of immigration, how that changed the cultural tapestry of the United States, how it changed culture, what it meant to live in those areas in a little bit more detail, and also what life was like if you were somebody living in the South, now that society had effectively been dynamited and was now being rebuilt from the ground up, though not as dissimilarly as one might think, given the massive cultural changes and how political forces in the South sought to more or less recreate the same cultural order that they had before the Civil War. A little bit of a downer chapter. Also, just talking about the Gilded Age in general, which, spoilers, not exactly the best time to be alive, to quote Oversimplified, another great YouTube history channel that you might enjoy. Anyway, your modules are due on Friday night at midnight this week, and I hope to see you again next week. And as always, thank you for taking my class. All right, bye.